Today we have an easy experiment that showcases how transpiration works in plants. For our experiment, we have plain tap water, red and blue food coloring, carnation flowers, make sure that they are light colors, and a knife or scissors to cut the stems. First, we will need to pour water into our container or vase. After this, we will pour a strong concentration of the food coloring of your choice. Next, we need to cut the stem of the flower. This makes sure that the stem is new and ready to take up water. And after this, we wait. Alternatively, you can use a piece of celery. Just follow the same steps as the flower, including cutting off the bottom of the celery stick. We place the celery stick and carnations, white and purple and pink, into cups filled with colored water. After some time, changes became visible. The celery showed color streaks traveling up its stem, while the carnations began to take on the colors, especially along the edges of their petals. Both celery and flower stems have tiny tubes called xylem that carry water upward from the roots to the leaves and the flowers. Because celery stems are larger and have more visible tubes, it's easier to see the colored water moving through them. This movement is driven by transpiration. As water evaporates from the surface of leaves and the petals, it creates a pull that draws more water up through the xylem. The food coloring reveals this otherwise invisible process, highlighting the path water takes to nourish the plant. The petals change color primarily at their edges because evaporation is greatest there. This evaporation pulls colored water all the way to the tips, making the colors visible where water is lost. Within a few hours, you can watch the color travel through the plant, making the water transport system visible. It's an easy way to see how plants move water and how xylem, transpiration, and evaporation work together. For those interested, experimenting with water temperature or different plant types can show how these factors affect the speed of water movement.